Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Hey, wonderful listeners. Apologize for being a bit late here today. So, life happens. But anyway, we are back. So today I will make it really short and sweet. And I think with all the talking about AI last week, with the launch of Sora from OpenAI, I thought we could dive a bit into the game-changing world of AI in marketing. In a nutshell, AI is like having a 24/7 super smart marketing assistant. You can think in terms of personalized recommendation, target ads, data-driven strategies, anything that AI can help to elevate your marketing game, right? However, I think there are still gaps to be filled by AI technology. For example, have you ever asked DALL-E, the artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI for generating image from text to generate memes? Well, if you never asked, go ahead and do it. So you can see that still AI has a long way to go there, So what about on jokes? Let's give it a try. Hey, AI bro, tell us a joke about marketing.
Somebody should market a beer call occasionally. So when I ask, I can say, I only drink occasionally.
Come on, that's not really AI. That's me just playing with the robot voice here. So, but really, let's get serious. Let's go and ask maybe ChatGPT and use 11 Labs to try again and see if they can craft a joke. At least something teaching marketing in a fun way, so I can retire it here forever and maybe they take over from the podcast. Who knows?
You see a gorgeous girl at a party. You go to her and say, I am rich, marry me. That's direct marketing. You attend a party and your friend goes to the girl to tell her he's rich, marry him. That's advertising. The same girl at the party walks to you and says, you're rich. Do you want to marry me? That's brand recognition. You say I'm rich, marry me, and she introduces you to her husband. That's the demand and supply gap. Before you say I'm rich, marry me, your wife arrives. That's restriction from entering a new market.
Okay, that was just one example that AI is not there yet for human touch, which is good news for the human race anyway. If you want to know about the latest AI tools shaping the future of humanity, visit grandz.com. Again, grandz, grandz.com. I will leave the link in the description. It's a site that covers tech trends and innovation, so you can always be up to date on this field. With that being said, I'm signing off today. Until next time, stay creative and keep your humor in, because this is very important for the future.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.